Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Most important question of the subject name is biology and the chapter name is reproductive health. So let's start the video, and here the question number first is a national level approach to build up a reproductively healthy society was taken up in our country in, and here the options: option A 1950, option B 1960, option C 1980, and option D 1990. And the correct answer is option A 1950. Now move on question number second. Increase IMR and decreased MMR in population will, and here the options: option A cause rapid increase in growth rate, option B result in decline in growth rate, option C not cause significant change in growth rate, and option D result in an explosive population. And the correct answer is option B result in decline in growth rate. Now move on question number third. Intensely lactating mothers do not generally conceive due to the, and here the options: option A suppression of gonadotrophin, option B hypersecretion of gonadotrophin, option C suppression of gametic transport, and option D suppression of fertilization. And the correct answer is option A suppression of gonadotrophins. Now move on question number 4. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within, and here the options: option A 72 hours of coitus, option B 72 hours of ovulation, option C 72 hours of menstruation, option D 72 hours of implantation. And the correct answer is option A 72 hours of coitus. Now move on question number 5. Following statement are given regarding MTP. Choose the correct option given below. And first, MTPs are generally advised during first trimester. Second, MTP are used as a contraceptive method. Third, MTP are always surgical. And fourth, MTP require the assistance of qualified medical personnel. And here the options: option A second and third, option B third and second and third, option C first and fourth, and option D first and second. And the correct answer is option C first and fourth. Now move on question number 6. From the sexually transmitted disease mentioned below, identify the one which does not efficiently affect the sex organs. And here the options: option A syphilis, option B AIDS, option C gonorrhea, option D genital warts. And the correct answer is option B AIDS. Now move on question number 7. Condoms are one of the following popular contraceptive because of the following reasons. And here the options: option A these are effective barriers for insemination, option B they do not interfere with coital act, option C these help in reducing the risk of STDs, and option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option D all of the above. Now move on question number 8. Reusable barrier method of contraception are and here the options: option A diaphragm cervical cap waltz condom, option B diaphragm cervical cap implant, option C diaphragm cervical cap vault, and option D condom femidome vasectomy and vault. And the correct answer is option C diaphragm cervical cap and vault. And the correct answer is option C. Now move on question number 9. The function of hormonal IUDs is, and here the options: option A to suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm, option B to prevent the ovulation, option C to uterus unsuitable for implantation, and option D to block the fallopian tubes. And the correct answer is option C to make uterus unsuitable for implantation. Now move on question number 10. Natural method of contraception includes, and here the options: option A LNG20, option B lactational amenorrhea, option C cervical cap, and option D intrauterine device. And the correct answer is option B lactational amenorrhea. Now move on question number 11. The correct surgical procedure as a contraceptive method is, and here the options: option A ovectomy, option B hysterectomy, option C vasectomy, and option D castration. And the correct answer is option C vasectomy. Now move on question number 12. Sexually transmitted disease includes, and here the options: option A chlamydiasis, malaria, option B hepatitis A and hepatitis B, option C genital herpes and hepatitis B, and option D gonorrhea and dengue. And the correct answer is option C genital herpes and hepatitis B. So guys, this is the video. Like, share, subscribe for more this type of content. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, जय हिंद.